Click on Add a Domain, then type your domain and select Quick Scan for DNS records. This will help you to import any existing records. Now select the free plan. Now scroll down to find your DNS records. This is specific to your domain, so it might be different for different domains. Now go back to GoDaddy, then go to DNS and name servers. By default, they have put their own name servers. We have to change this. Click on Change Name Servers and select I'll use my own name servers and paste in the name servers you have received from GoDaddy. Click Save and you are done. If you need to add a new record, for example an A record, you can do so by clicking on Add a Record button, and from the left side there is an option called Type. For the root domain you can use @ then type the IP you want to point it to. You can also add a note to remember why you have added this record, because there is going to be too many records. Click Save. This new A record will help you to point your domain to a new hosting.